Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. How's it going, guys? I hope you guys are having a good day. Yeah, let's wait for 1 more minute and let's get started. So we're gonna review what we have learned last week first, and we're gonna do new things. So actually we're gonna review last classes one, which is nice to meet you, and my name is Ting again. So just be ready for it. Also, A is B, A is not B, is A B thing. 30 seconds more, and let's get started. Hey, so right. Hey, so let's get started. I'm just gonna share my screen. Whenever you have question, you can cut me and ask me questions. Okay. So okay, so firstly, there are two ways to say nice to meet you in Japanese, right? So can you guys tell me how to say nice to meet you? You. So first one is a kinda, it's first time for us to meet. Start with HA, huh?
はじめまして。
Perfect. はじめまして。はじめまして, which is this is our first time to meet you, okay? And also you can say the other thing is please be nice to me. It's kind of weird in English, but it's common in Japanese, which start with yo.
よろしくお願いします。
Perfect. Thank you. よろしくお願いします。So those are the nice to meet you like thing. So please repeat after me. You don't have to turn on the microphone, okay? はじめまして。はじめ。
はじめまして。
よろしくお願いします。よろしく。
よろしくお願いします。
Beautiful. That's how you say nice to meet you. What about how can we say my name is?
私は
Cool. That's watashi wa is one of the way, right? Watashi wa.
私の名前は
Perfect. Watashi wa something something this. Also, you can use your name. And watashi no namae wa something something this. So let's quickly practice with me. Repeat after me. 私の名前はヨータです。私の名前は
私の名前はダスです。
Perfect. And another one. 私はヨータです。はヨータです。Perfect. And also, how can we say I am something something? I am something something. It's actually on this board already. This guy.
私は something something です。
Exactly. I am something something was 私は something something was. So you can say your name like 私はヨータです。Also you can say I am Chilean. 私はチリ人です。Like you can introduce yourself with those sentences, right? And the reason why we review those things is, so as usual, we're gonna do group practice today. And the beginning of group practice, I want you to guys introduce yourself, like, はじめまして、私はヨータです。or 私の名前は I don't know, Tasha です。Dasha です。Right? And よろしくお願いします。That's how I want you to start group practice, and you can introduce yourself in Japanese, right? So anyways, this was a kind of quick review for 2 classes ago. Yeah, anyways, I hope you guys okay so far. Okay, so from last class, how can we say A is B? A is B. So 私は something something this is also A is B sentence.
A は B です。
Perfect, thank you. A は B です。Or maybe A は B です。That's how you say A is B. So if you know, if you want to say you are Chilean, or let's say he is Chilean. If you want to say he is Chilean, A is he and B is Chilean, right? So, and you can say 彼はチリ人です。That's how you use A is B sentence. So, he is 彼, right? And Chilean is Chilean. So, are you guys okay so far?
Yes.
Perfect. So how can we ask is A B then? Is A B? Is A B? How can we?
はですか
Perfect, perfect. A は B です
は B
か？
ですか
A は B ですか？ So you just need to add ka at the end of the sentence, and it becomes question sentence. So if you just want to ask, is he Chilean? Chilean? You can just replicate this sentence with ka. Okay, so which is 彼はチリ人ですか? Yeah, that's how you ask, is he Chilean? And 彼はチリ人ですか? Okay, so let's quickly repeat after me. The first one, A is B sentence, okay? 彼はチリ人です。彼は
彼はチリ人です。
And the question, 彼はチリ人ですか？彼は
チリ人ですか？
Beautiful. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Okay, and also you guys know how to answer. So let me quickly write down is A B is A は B ですか? And for example, is he Chilean? 彼はチリンですか? Okay, so can you guys tell me how can I answer for this? So for example, yes, he is. Yes, A is B. How can we say yes, A is B in Japanese? Can you guys remember?
Hi, A wa B.
Perfect, thank you. Hi, A は B です。That's how you answer for her or for someone, right? So for this sentence, you can answer like, はい。彼はチリ人です。Hey. So no was a little bit long and difficult, right? So before doing no, let's practice with yes, A, B sentence. Repeat after me. はい、彼はチリ人です。
はい。
はい。彼はチリ人で。
Perfect, beautiful. So how can we say no? A is not B. A.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, A は B です。
Oh, it's so close, but so
いえ
no is
A は B ではありません。
perfect. Thank you. Yeah is correct. And A は so is not B was quite long one. Do you remember? A は B ではありません。Okay? And actually, you're not entirely wrong because you can also say no. A is actually C. In that sentence, you can say いいえ。A は C です。So first one, let's say he is not Chilean. If you want to say he is not Chilean, you can say いいえ。彼はチレ人ではありません。It's a little bit long, but let's practice. Practice makes perfect, okay? So repeat after me. いいえ、彼はチリ人ではありません。いいえ。
いえ、彼はチリ人ではありません。
Perfect. Beautiful, guys. Okay, also you can say, let's say he's actually American. He's actually American. So you can say いいえ。彼はアメリカ人です。アメリカ人です。Yeah, repeat after me. いいえ、彼はアメリカ人です。
いいえ、彼はアメリカ人です。
Beautiful, beautiful. So that's how you say yes, A is B, no, A is not B, and no, A is C. はい、A は B です。Yeah, do you guys have any questions so far? Are you guys okay? Perfect. If you guys are okay, I'm just gonna go to today's lesson. Okay, which is what is A? What is A? What is A? So in Japanese, what?
Sorry, I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
If you want to say he is Japanese, you have to say 彼はJapan人ですor 彼は日本人です。
Thank you for the question. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly answer for that. So I think I told you like when you wanna say nationalities. Sorry, sorry. Okay, when you say nationalities, you can say name, country name, plus Jin, right? But in Japanese, some country has Japanese name, which is you're correct. So Japan is Japan. In Japanese, Nihon or Nippon. Nihon or Nippon. Boom. So in this case, if you wanna say Japanese in Japanese, it's gonna be 日本人。日本人。日本人。Yeah. So if you wanna say he is Japanese, you wanna say 彼は日本人です。日本人です。Thank you for the question. Like for example, let's do China. In Japanese, it's not gonna be China-jin. It's gonna be 中国人. So China is 中国. In Japanese, 中国. So Chinese is gonna be 中国人. 中国人. Yeah. Are you okay? Do you guys have any other questions? Beautiful, beautiful. So I'm just gonna go back to what is A. So in Japanese, what is nani or nam? Nani or nam. It really depends on the sentence you use. So sometimes it can be nani and sometimes it can be nam. I wish there's some kind of rules, but unfortunately, like it just depends on the occasion. So I will teach you one by one if came up, if nani or like if what come up. So yeah. Anyway, so today we're gonna do what is A, right? In this sentence, you can use nani or nan both, but I would say nan is more natural, which is what is in Japanese. A は何ですか? A は何ですか? A は何ですか? You can also say A は何ですか? But I would say A は何ですか is more natural. Okay. So what is A? Is A は何ですか? Okay. So I would love to give you some example. So what is, let's say, what is pen? What is pen? Like, what is a pen? Let's say you don't know what the pen is. I mean, everybody knows what pen is. But you can say, ペンは何ですか? So which means, what is a pen? Like if you don't know what the pen is, you can ask like, ペンは何ですか? Also, let's say you don't know sushi. So how can we ask sushi? What is sushi in Japanese? Can you guys tell me?
寿司は何ですか?
Exactly. It's kind of weird question, but that is perfect. Sushi wa nan desu ka? Okay. That's how you ask what is something something. You can just do something something wa nan desu ka? Okay.
Teacher.
Yeah.
I had a question because the last class
Mhm.
we learned kore, sore, and
Yes,
are.
yes,
So
yes. I
I wanted to ask you if we could say, for example, kore wa nan desu ka?
Beautiful. You can say that. I was gonna do that right now. So let's quickly review that one. So how can we say this dot far away version? Because we have 3 categories for the distance, right? So let's remember how to say all those things. So first one, how can we say this in Japanese? The closest one.
Kore.
これ、
Yes, thank you guys. これ。これ。So in this picture, they use apple. So I'm just gonna quickly teach you how to say apple in Japanese first. Apple. In Japanese, ringo, ringo. So I think one of you guys already told us, but how can we ask what is this? What is this? So she doesn't know what this
Object?
fruit is. So how can we ask what is this?
これ
こ
は
れは
何ですか？
何ですか？
Beautiful, beautiful. So what is this? Is gonna be これは何ですか? Okay, what about that? What about that? How can we say that? Kind of close version of that. How can we say that in Japanese?
それ。
そ
Sore.
れ、
Perfect. Thank you guys. それ。So how can we ask what is that? What is that?
それは
それは
何ですか？
何ですか？
Beautiful. What is that? それは何ですか? What about that far away version of that? How can we say that?
あれ。
あれ
Yes, thank you. Beautiful. Good. So how can we ask what is that in further one? For the further one.
あれは何ですか？
あれは何ですか？
Beautiful. あれは何ですか? Yeah, あれは何ですか? それは何ですか? So let's remember how to say A is B. これは something something です。あれは something something です。So let's say how can he answer for this question? これは何ですか? And this is apple, right? So how can we say that is apple in Japanese?
これはリンゴです。
Perfect. これはリンゴです。Or probably you can say それはリンゴです instead of saying これ because you know he's gonna answer, right? So answer. Answer. So maybe as distance thing, this is sore for him. Does it make sense? The answer is gonna be それはリンゴです。Does it make sense for you guys?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. So what about this? What about second
Eh,
one?
Sensei,
Yeah. What's up?
what is Ringo is?
Oh, Ringo is
Ah.
apple. Sorry.
Apple. Okay. See.
Ringo is
Sorry.
apple. Okay. So how can we answer for それは何ですか question?
これはリンゴです。
Perfect. Thank you. So you can just say これは answer これはリンゴです。Perfect. And last one, how can we answer for あれは何ですか?
あれは
あれ
リンゴ
はリン
です。
ゴです。
Beautiful. あれは
リン
リンゴです。Beautiful, beautiful. That's how you ask and answer. So let's quickly recap and please practice with me. So repeat after me. これは何ですか？
これは
これは
何ですか？
それはリンゴです。それ
それ
は
はリンゴです。
perfect. And second one. それは何ですか？それは
これは何ですか？
これはリンゴです。
これはリンゴです。
Beautiful. And the last one. あれは何ですか？
あれは
あれは何
何でか？
ですすか？
And あれはリンゴです。
あれ
あれは
はリンゴ
リンゴ
です。
です。
Beautiful, beautiful. Do you guys have any question right now? Can I just go ahead? Yeah, sounds so. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, so let's keep practicing. So I'm gonna ask you question. So can you guys answer for me? これは何ですか? So can you guys answer this for me? これは何ですか?
それは
それ
エンパ
は
ナダです。
エンパナダです。
Thank you. それはempanada. I hope I'm feeling okay. Empanada です。Okay. What about this? これは何ですか? I hope you guys know what it is.
それは
それ
スープ
はラーメン。
です。
ラーメンです。
Oh, you guys know what
ラーメンです。
I'm glad you guys know what this is. それはラーメンです。
これはラーメンです。
Perfect. You guys know ramen. Is there ramen restaurants in Chile a lot or?
They
Yes.
sell a lot of instant ramen in the
Oh,
supermarket.
interesting. Right.
But in Santiago, yeah, I think so.
Cool. Yeah, whenever you have chance to try ramen, try it. Ramen. Yeah. I don't know, like there are so many kinds, so I cannot say which one is the best, but some of them are tasty. So whenever you have chance, try ramen. This is Japanese noodle soup. Okay, easy one. これは何ですか?
それは
それは
寿司です。
寿司です。
Perfect. You guys can answer perfectly. それは寿司です。寿司です。Okay. The last page. これは何ですか? Do you guys know what this
それ
is?
はた
それ
こ焼きで
はたこ焼きです。
す。美味しいのたこ焼きです。
Wow, beautiful. それはたこ焼きです。I have another class 1 hour before this class. Nobody knew this Japanese food, so I'm glad you guys know what this is. This is octopus ball. If you guys don't know what this is, you can Google takoyaki after this class. They're actually tasty. I hope you guys find a place in Chile, then try it. I love it. Okay.
I just know the onigiri.
Onigiri. All
I
right.
love katsudon too.
Cool. Yeah, anyways, those are Japanese food. I just wanted to show you, and also I want to practice with you guys. Anyway, so do you guys have any question about how to ask and how to answer those what is A and A is B? Are you guys okay? Yes, perfect. If you guys don't have any question, we can make small groups and practice like that. Before doing that, yeah, we're gonna do group practice. So please introduce yourself first. はじめまして。私は something です。よろしくお願いします。Those are necessary. And we're gonna do role playing. So today we're gonna do what is this question and how to answer. So I will send you one file image so you guys can practice with that image. Second. I'm just gonna send file on chatting window, okay? I sent 2 files. So you can use the image I sent. Also, you can make your own whiteboard. I think you guys can do on Zoom, right? Whiteboard. And you can do like a drawing game. Let's say, write down this, and other students can ask, それは何ですか? And you can answer like, これはエンパナダです. Like you can answer for other student. Let's say, それは何ですか? And you can answer, これはキャンディーです. Right? So you can practice with whiteboard or the image I sent you guys. This one. You can use this one. So please practice with that or whiteboard. And I will give you 7 minutes, 6 minutes. So please practice as many as possible, as many times as possible, okay? And don't forget to introduce yourself. Okay, do you guys have any question? I'm just gonna quickly make breaking out group. Okay, are you guys ready? Hey, let's do this. Please practice as many times as possible. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Welcome back. Welcome back. I hope you guys had a great time. お疲れ様です。お疲れ様です means like good job. Thank you for good work. I don't know. It's really nice to know, like it's really useful word. お疲れ様です。お疲れ様。Like everybody you leave your workplace, like you know, everybody says お疲れ様、お疲れ様です. So it's great. It's great word. お疲れ様. Thank you for coming back. How are you guys? Do you guys have any new question or was everything okay? Hopefully you had great time. Perfect. ありがとうございます. Thank you for coming back. Just gonna quickly share my screen and just one more small things. Then we will finish the class. So give me a second. Okay. So this is quite advanced. So you don't have to remember or anything right now. But today we've learned how to say what is A, right? What is A, which is sorry guys. What is A? Which is A は何ですか? And none means what, right? So you guys don't know how to say who, where, how, when, how much, blah blah blah, etc. You guys still don't know how to say those things in Japanese, but the thing is, once you learn how to say those question words, you just need to replace what part to other words. I'm just gonna give you some example. For example, who in Japanese is dare. So if you wanna say who is A, you just need to replace what to who, which is A は誰ですか? That's it. It's quite simple, right? So if you learn how to say where, which is doko, so if you want to say where is A, you can say A はどこですか? How in Japanese, どう? So how is A? A はどうですか? Don't worry, you don't have to remember anything right now, okay? Just a small tip, and we will go through who, where, how, when, everything in this class. Don't worry about it. But at this point, it's kind of great to know you can replace what part to other question sentences, right? So yeah, this is small tip for you guys. So if you wanna learn a little bit advanced one, you can just learn who, where, how, when, how much in Japanese and just replace it. And now you can ask about it. Okay. Yeah, also we're gonna learn how to answer for those questions after these classes. So don't worry about it. Just small tip. Are you guys okay so far? Do you have any question or something?
Yes.
Yeah,
I
go
have a
ahead.
question, but not from this. It's from the introduction.
Yeah.
It's when you introduce yourself, you say first, hajimemashite. Watashi wa Alejandro desu. And at the end, do you add yoroshiku onegaishimasu?
Yes, that would be great. The order would be hajimemashite, and introduce yourself like 私はヨートです。私はチリ人です。blah blah 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 blah. And よろしくお願いします。That's perfect order.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Anything else? Are you guys okay so far? Okay. So if you guys don't have a question, we can finish this class and I will send you today's hiraganas. So, and if you come up any new question, you can ask me anytime after this class. Okay, you can just ask, just text me. Also, you can, I don't know, is there any other way? Also, if you want me to review your hiragana, I'd love to do that. I'd be happy to do it. So whenever you want me to, just send it to me. Okay. Yeah, so let's go back to screen. So let's say goodbye in Japanese. Sayonara.
Sayonara. Sayonara.
Sayonara.
I will stay here until 55. So if you have individual question, I will answer for you. But I will stay here just for a couple minutes. Okay. Thank you. ありがとうございます。Bye bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
ありがと
Thanks everyone.
Bye.
Sayonara.
う。さよなら。
Goodbye.
Bye bye. さよなら。
I have a question.
Yeah, go for it. What's up?
For when we answer no,
Mhm.
for no answer, there's a, let me remember a little bit. Yeah, nani nani ja arimasen. It's like more formal than dewa arimasen.
No, じゃありません is less formal. It's more
Oh,
casual.
okay.
Mhm.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. That's good question actually. Also, oh shit. It really depends on the occasion, right? So like if the sentence ends with adjective like kirei or like other, I don't know, genki, like it depends on the adjective. No, like dewa arimasen can be different sentences, right? So like
Oh,
it's
okay.
something you have to be careful. Like for example, like genki, in that case, genki dewa arimasen is fine. Dewa arimasen is fine, but let's say, do you know utsukushi? Beautiful. Utsukushi?
Yeah. Utsukushi ja arimasen.
Yeah, that's more natural.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Utsukushi dewa arimasen is kind of weird. So like utsukushi. Honestly, I would say utsukushi. Who?
美しくない。Okay.
美しくない is that's correct. 美しくない
Oh,
ない
okay.
です is perfect. 美しくないです is more like not beautiful. It's more like accurate. Or 美しくありません is more formal.
Oh, that's okay. くありません。
Yeah. So that's the kind of difference. So like genki can be just noun. That's why dewa arimasen is still natural. But like if it's just regular adjective, 美しくないです that's perfect. And 美しくありません is more formal. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Thank you, Dasha. Any other question?
I think it's okay.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you.
So if you came up other questions, just let me know.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.